Hello students, this topic is approaching steady state and numerical example. Let's use a numerical example to see how the Solow model works, how the economy approaches the steady state. For this example, we assume that the production function is y is equal to k a power 1 by 2 l की power 1 by 2. 3% of output is saved, 10% of the capital stock depreciation here. So here we have production function. To drive the per worker production function fk, divide both sides of production function by the labor force, that is L. We will divide it, y by L is equal to k raised to power half times L raised to power half times upon L equals to k raised to power half upon L raised to power half equals to k by L raised to power half. Next step, we can write y by L as small equals to k by L can be written as k small k raised to the power half. So output per worker equals to capital per worker raised to power half, that is under root k. Per worker production function y is equal to fk is equal to k root, where y is equal to denote output per worker, k denote per worker. This form of the production function states that output per worker equals the square root of capital per worker. We have already seen this equation last video. Change in capital stock is equal to SF into K minus depreciation. Delta denotes the depreciation. Its steady state change in capital stock is equal to 0 because its steady state investment is equal to depreciation. Capital denoted by K star. In the next step, we can write delta K star equals to S F K star. Next step, K star upon of K star equals S upon delta. So at steady state equation, this equation, this one, we need to find this steady state level of capital, and we find the value of K star and S and depreciation. So here we have in which fk is equal to root k, fk star is equal to root k star, and 30% of output saved, that means saving rate equal to 0.30. Given this equal 10% of the capital stock depreciation every year, that means Depreciation denoted by the delta is equal to 0.10. So we can write K star upon root K star equals to saving rate is 0.30, depreciation rate is 0.10. Next step, root K star equals to 3. Next step, K star equals to 3 square equals to 9. K star is equal to 9. So we can write the steady state capital stock 9 unit per worker.